Y'all, Renee here. I am here with the Sew Sampler box from October 2021. Doing an unboxing for you. And this box is titled Dream Big. So I guess we'll see what this is. So go ahead and pull this off and let you know. The promo code this month is 15% off layer cakes or any 10-inch squares. So if you get the box, that'll be your coupon, so you can plan accordingly. And we've got our little card that tells us how much everything is worth and what we have in here. So the first thing I pulled out is a magic seam wand, perfectly pressed seam allowances. Let's see what this is. Oh, get it open, get it open. It kind of looks like, yeah, it's like a, you use it after, I think after you've ironed, and then it just pushes it down, kind of like when you use a, what is that called? I can't even remember what it's called. It's like wood, it says use wand as is or heat wood with a hot iron for flatter seams. Huh, okay, that's different. I just thought what you did was once the seams were hot, you did this to make them flatter, but sounds like you can heat this. I'll have to try that, see how it works. I will let you know. Then we'll go to the next thing in the box. Okay, it looks like it's a take-along mini color wheel. 12 numbered colors with tints, tones, and shades, 5 color plans. A monochromatic plan. Okay. Okay. I have to tell you the truth. I don't use color wheels all that much except to see like yellow and violet go together or orange and blue. That's kind of how I use them, but it looks like I'll have to read up on how to do this because it looks like it has other things that you can do. I have to admit, I'm not real up on my color wheel technology. So, oh, I forgot to tell you the price on that. Let me look it up. So the Magic Seam Wand is by June Taylor, and it retails for $12.48. It says the wood produces a flatter finish, making open seams a cinch with this nice little notion. Okay. It says don't let your fingers take the heat anymore. So that's exactly what I was thinking is, you know, when you've got it, you know, when you've done your seams, they're really hot, and usually I try to push them down with my finger, but I don't have to with this. Okay, great. Then this right here is a take-along mini color wheel by C&T Publishing, and this one values for $7.95. And there's that. Then it looks like we have a Creative Grids ruler, 1.5 by 6.5. I love these little rulers. I use them for so many things. So I'm glad to have another one. And the value on that is $7.99. So let's look at our fabric. It is Mon Cherie Whimsical Romance 10-inch stacker. It's by Kira Job, I'm not sure how she says her name, for Riley Blake Designs. It says that Sew Sampler got it first, plus it's a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. So what I'm guessing is that this is a new fabric line. Sew Sampler got the fabric line first. However, you can buy it, or you will be able to buy it. And if I'm wrong, please let me know down in the comments, those of you who know fabric much better than I. And I can't get this slipped off, so I'm just gonna untie it. So we will take that off, and it's got a rubber band. And we're leaving a big old mess here. So we will open this up and take a look. So these are 10-inch squares. So that's nice. So we will just flip these. These are kind of pretty. I think I have it backwards because all these words are upside down. And that's really pretty. It's called a Whimsical Romance. I can see that. Oh, I love this. I love this one. Sorry, I probably shouldn't tap on the table because it probably makes the camera shake. Sorry about that. Another one, but you know, I think I actually like the green colorway of this better. I think that it just, I don't know, it just speaks to me more. So let's see, we're getting a lot of the same prints, just different colorways, which work well with these smaller quilt patterns that we get with the Sew Sampler. That's okay. I'm not a huge fan of this mustard color, never have been. It has its place, I guess, in some white background. Looks like I have two of the same piece. That's interesting. I wonder if I have two of the same piece on this one too. Okay, so I guess there's two of each of the light color backgrounds. I'm guessing we need that for some reason, and that these 10-inch stacker packs were put together especially for Fat Quarter Shop for this pattern. So I've got a big old mess going on. So this fabric, I'm guessing it's about $20, $18.98, real close. So $18.98, it's 21 pieces. Then let's look at the pattern. The pattern is Mon Cherie, which is the same name as the fabric. Now that's really cute with the little hearts, and this is really cute. Finished size is 52 3/4 by 62 1/4. And it looks like you only need one of these stacks. You need 2 yards of your background sashing and borders, 1 1/4 yards of your accent colors, and 5/8 yard of binding. And then 3 1/2 yards for backing. So this is I like this pattern, and it looks like it'd be fairly simple. There aren't any actual curved lines. They just look curved from a distance from the way they're put together. And I love the way it's quilted. I don't know if you could see that on the camera, the way it's quilted. Sorry for all of the glare. I'm still working on, because my previous camera died, and so I have had to do something different. So I'm just going to show you the block of the month here, so you can see what that looks like, because it's kind of hard to tell from the card that's in the box. And this is block number 7 on the Bright Side Quilt Along. The value on that is $4.98, and the value on this pattern is $9.98. So overall, I like the box. I think it has some things in it that I will definitely use. I will definitely use this. I will definitely use that. Save my fingers, like she said. I'm not sure if I'll use the color wheel. I'll give it a try. Usually how I do things, like I said, the two opposite, I forget what they're called when they're opposite. Someone can tell me down in the comments. And then just by eye stuff, whatever looks good when I'm putting things together, whatever looks good to me, that's what I do. So that is our October 2021, got that upside down, Dream Big box. I think it was definitely a good value. As usual, the fabric and the pattern alone are more than the value of the box. So you can just consider the rest of these just freebies, if you look at it that way. So if you got one of these boxes, I'd love to hear what you thought of yours. And if you have an unboxing, please leave information down below and say you have an unboxing so I can go watch it. That would be awesome. I love watching other people's unboxings. And yes, Lisa, I will be coming to watch yours shortly. Lisa and I always watch each other's, so that's a given. But if anyone else has unboxing, please let me know down below, and I'll take a look and see what I think. I always like hearing what other people think and what other people have ideas for certain things. Kind of like this color wheel. If you are really great at using a color wheel and you can, tell me how it could change my life. I always look for things. Well, how's it going to change my life? So with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave you. I hope you're all having a great day. If this is your first time here and you like what I do here, please feel free to hit that red button down below and subscribe, or you could wait till the end, and when you see my little face, just tap my face and you can subscribe. That would be awesome. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm getting closer. And if you like my video and you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that maybe other people might like to see it and they share it with other people. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.